Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's learn how to make mixed dal tadka. So for that I have taken a handful of green moong dal. This is the whole green moong dal. Then I have taken a handful of whole urad dal and a handful of rajma and a handful of chana dal. So this I have soaked in water for about 7 to 8 hours, the whole night. Then the next day I have taken a pressure cooker. I have put this all the dals together with some bay leaf, some salt and some turmeric powder. Then I'll cover the lid and pressure cook it for 4 whistles. And then I have taken a pan, I have put some oil in it. Then I am putting a big elaichi in it, a cinnamon stick and some cumin seeds. Let the cumin seeds and all the spices crackle. After that I am putting some hing in it. Hing is really good for digestion, so that's why I'm putting some hing in it, and it also enhances the flavor. Then I'm putting a big onion chopped. Along with that I have also put a slit green chili. Now fry the onions for some seconds. Once the onion is fried, it will turn slightly golden brown in color. Then I'll put the tomatoes inside it. Here I have taken a big size tomato. Let the tomatoes also get fried with the onions. After all the onions and the tomatoes get fried properly, then I'll put here ginger garlic paste. So this is my homemade ginger garlic paste. If you want the recipe of this homemade ginger garlic paste, you can comment down below. Now I'll fry the ginger garlic paste along with the onions and the tomatoes. Fry it for some seconds, and then I'll put all the spices in it. So here I'm putting some salt and then some turmeric powder, then some red chili powder, along with that some coriander powder, and I'm gonna fry all these spices together. So fry all these masalas in low flame. Then I'm putting some water inside it so that all these dry spices don't get burnt. So put some water and fry all this dry spices with the masala together. Now you can see the masala is fried properly. After that I'm putting some dried fenugreek leaves powder here. So you can put it in the masala and fry it for some seconds. It will really enhance the flavor, guys. So you can fry the kasuri methi or the dried fenugreek leaves with the masala. So now you can see the masala is all fried, and now I am putting the pressure cooker dal, the mixed dal, into this masala. So this is a very healthy, tasty and a yummy recipe, guys. Please try this, and if you are trying this recipe, please comment down below. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and please comment and tell me how this recipe turns out for you. Now I am putting some water in the dal. You can adjust the consistency according to your taste. So here I am putting some water. Now I'm gonna mix this dal with the water together. Then I'll cover the lid and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Now you can see after 15 minutes my dal is all boiled properly and mixed with all the spices together. A nice aroma is coming from the dal because of all the fenugreek leaves and all the spices we have put in this dal. Then I am putting some garam masala powder and some chopped coriander on top of it. And I'm gonna mix this garam masala and the coriander along with the dal and let it simmer for 1 more minute. And at last I am putting a tablespoon of ghee on top of it. Ghee will really enhance the flavor of this dal. Do try this with the ghee. If you don't want to put ghee, you can also put butter on top of it. But my family, we used to like it with the ghee, so I'm putting a tablespoon of ghee on top of it. And here you can see the mixed dal tadka is all ready and done. So it is really very healthy, very tasty and a yummy recipe, guys. Please try this. You can try this with rice. You can also try this with roti or chapati. This will really taste yummy. And please like, share, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you until next time.